this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we have the LG Optimus L5 second with us. And if I talk about the display of this device has got 4-inch of true color IPS display. It is an upgraded model of Optimus L5, which you have seen earlier. And if I talk about the battery is 1700 mAh on this device. For this display size, the battery should be sufficient. If I talk about the camera, it does have camera which is 5 megapixel at the back, and it can actually record high definition video at 720p. You will get quick memo, quick button, safety care feature as well as cheese shutter feature on this device as well. The processor on the device is 1 GHz processor. If I talk about the Android version, so the Android version on this device is Jelly Bean 4.1.2. Let me just show you the version number. So as you can see, the Android version is 4.1.2. okay, so under running applications, so as you can see, this device has got around 512 MB of RAM, out of which around 299 MB is used right now, whereas 172 MB is free. When it comes to the light, you do have different light indicators over here at the home button, which looks pretty nice. You have the soft keys for the back and the settings key over here. If I take a look over the front camera, you do not have a front camera on this device. As you can see, there is no front camera. You have the earpiece over here. You have the 3.5mm audio jack. You have a mic here this is the secondary mic for noise cancellation and video chat, and you do have a primary mic over here which is for calling, and then you have a section here for the loudspeaker, the 5 megapixel camera, LED flash, and on this side you have the power and sleep key, and then you have nothing on this side, and here you have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. If I talk about the storage on this device, let me just show you the storage options. So let me just go to storage. So under storage you have around 1.71 GB out of 4 GB, which is actually available to the users for installing applications and storing data. When it comes to the display on this device is IPS display, and the quality of the display is pretty nice. Although the viewing angles of the display are not so good. As far as the video playback is concerned, let me just play a video so that you can actually find out the overall quality. Okay, there is a video which is running right now in full screen, and this is how the video will look like. I'm not sure about whether this device is capable of playing high definition video. We will tell you that later once we get the device for review. Let me just show you the pictures. So you can actually at least view high definition pictures at least on this device, and let me just show you how does they look like. Okay, this is how the high definition picture will look like, and you do have page to home, which is again quite nice. So the overall colors which you see on the display when it comes to high definition pictures, they look pretty nice, although viewing angles are not so wide. So if I tell you about other things of the device, you have the same LG Optimus UI, so this phone is an upgradation of LG Optimus L5. Do let us know if you have any questions. That's all from us right now regarding the quick hands-on of LG Optimus L5. You can like this video if this video helps you, and you can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.